Guys, in this video, we're going to talk about annuities part 2, where we are going to calculate payments, the regular payments or the regular withdrawals, depending on whether it is a FV or a PV problem. So in this example, Priya needs $20,000 down payment, and she needs that for a house, and she needs it in 5 years. A bank offers an investment which pays her 5.5% compounded monthly. How much she should make, how much she should deposit each month. So I've written all these details down to save some time. So the money in the future, FV, needed is 20,000. The interest rate is 5.5%, divide by 100, so you get 0.55. And because it's compounded monthly, you need to divide that by 12. The N is 5 years multiplied by 12, 60. So the calculations are going to be made over 60 months. How much is there every month that she needs to make? So here is the fancy FV formula. So we are interested in finding the PMT. We know everything else in this formula. Substitute FV is 20,000. And notice here for the I went 0.55 divided by 12, just like here. And N is to the power 60 minus 1, and then I have this. So what I did first was I put this numerator into my calculator and I got this number. Then I put this in denominator into my calculator and I got this number. Okay. Finally, when I divide, I get this number. And so now to get the final answer, I just need to clear some mess here. So clear that. To find the final answer, what I did was I divided both sides by 68.8808231 and do that on both sides. 68.8808231, and the monthly payment that she needs to make to get that amount is 20,000 divided by 68.8808231, and she needs to make a payment of about $290 and 36 cents. And so how much interest did she make? How much extra money did she make? So let's say take up the space here. So the money that she made, I equals, she made, she received $20,000 and she made a payment for 60 months, and that is 290.36. Hopefully this number works out, right? So 20,000 subtract 60 times 290.36, and so she made an interest of $2,578.40, because that's what happens when you make an investment. Now this is a FV problem. Let us say you're paying down a loan, everything will work exactly the same. The formula obviously will look different, but the method is going to be the same. So I'm just leaving that to you. The key idea that in all these annuities, part 1, part 2, that you need to recognize is to know which formula to use at what situation. See you in the next video.